Today, I'm going to teach Amharic to my student, and let's see how well he can learn.
Hi, I'm ready for my first Amharic lesson.
All right, let's see what you know.
Absolutely nothing.
That's a good place to start. So, what are your questions?
Okay, here's my first question. How do you say, how are you, in Amharic?
Good question. If you're speaking to a man, you say, Endet. Endet.
Can you say that one more time?
Sure. Endet. Endet.
Okay. Endet. Endet.
Very good.
Did I pronounce it correctly?
Yes, that's good. Let's break it down. Endet means how, and ne is used when you're speaking to a male. So, endet means how are you when speaking to a man.
Wait, if ne is for a man, what do I say to a woman?
Good question. When speaking to a woman, we say endet nesh. Endet nesh.
Can you repeat that?
Of course. Endet nesh. Endet nesh.
Okay, let me try. Endet nesh. Endet nesh.
Perfect.
So, ne is for a man and nesh is for a woman?
Exactly. Endet ne for a man. Endet nesh for a woman.
I think I'm starting to understand. So if I change the ending, I can change who I'm talking to?
Yes, that's a great observation.
Okay, then let me guess. If I want to ask an older person or someone I want to show respect to, maybe I can just say Endet ne?
Not quite. This is important. When speaking respectfully to one person, we normally use
እንዴት ነዎት? እንዴት ነዎት?
Oh, so that's different. Can you repeat it?
Sure.
እንዴት ነዎት? እንዴት ነዎት?
Let me try. Endet nehot.
Very good.
So I can use that when speaking respectfully to one person?
Yes. For example, you might use it when speaking respectfully to an older person, a teacher, or someone you want to address politely.
Interesting. So now I have 3 versions.
Exactly.
Wait, what if I'm talking to 2 or more people?
Then we say, Endet nachihu. Endet nachihu.
Can you say that again?
Sure. Endet nachihu. Endet nachihu.
Okay. Endet nachihu. Endet nachihu.
Excellent.
So this is for several people?
Yes.
Okay. Teacher, I think I need a test.
All right. Let's see what you've learned.
I'm ready.
How do you say, how are you, to a man?
Endetna. Endetna.
Correct. How about a woman?
Endetnesh. Endetnesh.
Correct. How about respectfully to one person?
Endetnewot. Endetnewot.
Excellent. And to several people?
Endetnachihu. Endetnachihu.
Perfect.
Wait, I have one more question. If I meet someone for the first time and I don't know whether I should use the male or female form, what should I do?
That's a good question. You first need to know who you're talking to. If it's a man,
Endethne.
if it's a woman,
Endethnesh.
and if you're speaking respectfully,
Endethenot.
Got it. So I shouldn't just memorize one sentence. I need to pay attention to who I'm talking to.
exactly. That's one of the important things about learning Amharic.
Okay. Let me try a real conversation.
Go ahead.
Endetna.
Ishi. Tanane. I'm good.
Wait! You just answered me in Amharic.
Of course. You're my Amharic student now.
Whew. Then I have a lot to learn.
You certainly do. Okay, let's review everything one last time. Speaking to a man,
Endethne.
speaking to a woman,
Endethenesh.
speaking respectfully to one person,
Endethenot.
speaking to several people,
Endethnachu.
I think I passed my first lesson.
I'd give you an A.
Really?
Well, maybe an A minus.
What did I do wrong?
Your pronunciation needs more practice.
Okay. Then I'll see you in the next lesson.
Absolutely. And if you'd like to learn Amharic with us, subscribe and join us for the next lesson.
I'll be practicing until then.
Good. You need it.